Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this lesson, we'll learn 100 commonly used English phrases. So, let's start the video. Are you jealous of your sister? Are you jealous of your sister? His sudden demise left everyone shocked. His sudden demise left everyone shocked. From now on, you are my first priority. From now on, you are my first priority. Be polite to everyone. Be polite to everyone. My watch is not very accurate. My watch is not very accurate. He was concerned about her health. He was concerned about her health. The film is full of violence. The film is full of violence. The unexpected arrival of the guests ruined their plan. The unexpected arrival of the guests ruined their plan. He died of suffocation. He died of suffocation. I want to confess something. I want to confess something. She has an obsession with money. She has an obsession with money. It was a tough decision to make. It was a tough decision to make. Why do you always try to humiliate me? Why do you always try to humiliate me? His voice is so annoying. His voice is so annoying. I admire her determination. I admire her determination. He has no sense of responsibility. He has no sense of responsibility. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? He is a self-centered person. He is a self-centered person. He is a shameless person. He is a shameless person. This is a random picture. This is a random picture. He is not very talkative. He is not very talkative. English is not my native language. English is not my native language. Do you eat a lot of junk food? Do you eat a lot of junk food? Exercise is beneficial to health. Exercise is beneficial to health. Don't feel so bad, my friend. Don't feel so bad, my friend. It is the consequence of her sin. It is the consequence of her sin. What did she actually say? What did she actually say? Somehow, I managed to get the job. Somehow, I managed to get the job. That's enough for me. That's enough for me. Don't encourage bad habits in a child. Don't encourage bad habits in a child. He is such a well-mannered boy. He is such a well-mannered boy. Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? How is your birthday going so far? How is your birthday going so far? Don't disappoint your parents. Don't disappoint your parents. He is a straightforward person. He is a straightforward person. He is always busy with work. He is always busy with work. She knows how to manipulate people. She knows how to manipulate people. I know I can rely on you. I know I can rely on you. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Ultimately, the decision is yours. He was exhausted after his return from the journey. He was exhausted after his return from the journey. I came here specially to meet you. I came here specially to meet you. Don't do anything illegal. Don't do anything illegal. Hurry up, or we will miss the train. Hurry up, or we will miss the train. I will cherish her memories forever. I will cherish her memories forever. He is extremely superstitious. He is extremely superstitious. I have no sympathy for beggars. I have no sympathy for beggars. He is an absent-minded person. He is an absent-minded person. My ultimate goal in life is to be successful. My ultimate goal in life is to be successful. She is an exception. She is an exception. Sorry, I have become a burden to you. Sorry, I have become a burden to you. I don't have the willpower to exercise. I don't have the willpower to exercise. He praised her helping nature. He praised her helping nature. That's why I don't like her. That's why I don't like her. I will not tolerate this behavior. I will not tolerate this behavior. My ultimate goal is to be happy. My ultimate goal is to be happy. Although she is young, she is very independent. Although she is young, she is very independent. Experience is essential for this job. Experience is essential for this job. His arrogant nature always irritates me. His arrogant nature always irritates me. Don't imitate others. Don't imitate others. Her mother is a religious woman. Her mother is a religious woman. I am feeling dizzy. I am feeling dizzy. That seems to be a sensible idea. That seems to be a sensible idea. His knowledge of English is very poor. His knowledge of English is very poor. Her parents won't allow her to stay out late. Her parents won't allow her to stay out late. Trust me, I will never betray you. Trust me, I will never betray you. I admire her for her hard work. I admire her for her hard work. They are in perfect harmony. They are in perfect harmony. He gave up smoking last year. He gave up smoking last year. I know you did this deliberately. I know you did this deliberately. We are waiting for the right opportunity. We are waiting for the right opportunity. She gave him a nice compliment. She gave him a nice compliment. Peter is very humble by nature. Peter is very humble by nature. Her actions will destroy her. Her actions will destroy her. Do you always go to bed early? Do you always go to bed early? He has been in jail for many years. He has been in jail for many years. I don't want to bother you. I don't want to bother you. Do you always talk like this? Do you always talk like this? It will be done in a transparent way. It will be done in a transparent way. He invited me to his house. He invited me to his house. Do you come here very often? Do you come here very often? Have you been here before? Have you been here before? He is a car enthusiast. He is a car enthusiast. We have reached our destination. We have reached our destination. He became serious all of a sudden. He became serious all of a sudden. Have you been waiting long? Have you been waiting long? Please don't interfere in my life. Please don't interfere in my life. I am so fortunate to have a wonderful family. I am so fortunate to have a wonderful family. Don't compare yourself with others. Don't compare yourself with others. She took revenge for her humiliation. She took revenge for her humiliation. Have you ever fallen in his trap? Have you ever fallen in his trap? She is under the illusion that she will get the job. She is under the illusion that she will get the job. Your opinion will not affect my decision. Your opinion will not affect my decision. Don't come with me now. Don't come with me now. You must learn to discriminate between good and bad. You must learn to discriminate between good and bad. Have you ever stolen anything? Have you ever stolen anything? She will resume work after the baby is born. She will resume work after the baby is born. He was a stubborn child. He was a stubborn child. I will do it regardless of the circumstances. I will do it regardless of the circumstances. No one believed me at first. No one believed me at first. He called me an idiot, fool and whatnot. He called me an idiot, fool and whatnot. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoyed it. To stay updated with all of my new videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the notification bell.